You definitely have seen hospital work smoothly, but ever wonder what it takes to achieve that? From patient care to logistics, every detail matters in healthcare environment where lives are at stake. Let's talk about skill sets that becoming increasingly critical in healthcare industry, hospital operations and administration. You might think hospital management is just about medical knowledge, but there is so much more. It's about ensuring every aspect of hospital functions seamlessly, from front desk to operating room. This is where effective administration comes in. The healthcare industry is rapidly evolving, and so is the demand for the professionals who understand the complexity of running hospitals. It's not just about managing day to day tasks, it's about optimizing processes, improving patient care, and ensuring the hospitals is prepared for the challenges. So, where do you find the program that offers practical real world training in hospital operations? Right here. At DPU Skills, we have developed an advanced certification in hospital operations and administration, designed by the experts, provide you with the skills you need to excel in the vital field. Hi, this is Chinmay Gare from Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Center for Skill Development, DPU Skills. And think of this certificate as your pathway to becoming key player in the healthcare industry. Whether you are starting your career or looking to advance, this certification will equip you with knowledge and experience to make significant impact. And the best part, you don't need a medical degree to succeed in this field. With the right training and right mindset and commitment to excellence, you can be leader in the hospital operations. DPU Skills certification will guide you every step of the way. So don't just work in healthcare, drive it forward. Secure your future, improve patient outcomes, and make a real difference with the advanced certification in hospital operations and administration by DPU Skills. Because in today's healthcare landscape, effective operations and administration are more than just skills, they are essential.